Rousing round of applause for the Reggae Boys for a big win against Saudi Arabia today. Much improved and efficient performance in all areas. They went behind, but they never panicked. Even when the Saudi referees looked like them lose them eyesight. The boys kept their shape and played with discipline and tenacity and pulled out the result. But not lie, this was a very encouraging performance heading towards the World Cup qualifiers. Hopes high again. Of course, this was an even more special statement day for Coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore. A little nudge to his detractors and his occasional critic, like me. Tapper made all the right moves. He started a strong team. No player played out of position. His substitutions made a lot of sense, and we can only hope that this performance and this result, under such trying circumstances, will encourage more consistency in selection and consistency of play, with still some key players to return. But without a doubt, today's victory belongs to Theodore Tapper Whitmore. 100 games, 52 wins as national coach. Lots of method to watch sometimes look like madness. Yes. We say, hail Theodore Tapper Whitmore. Yes, sir. Arguably, Jamaica's best ever football coach. Let's hear it for Tapper. Tapper, 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 Tapper.